Welcome back. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to bind your Gate.io API to BuddyXAi. First, please copy the BuddyXAi trusted IP addresses shown on the screen. You will need these in a moment. Log in to your Gate.io account via a web browser. Click the user icon on the top right and select API Management. Once on the API page, click the Create API Key button. Give your API a name. Then check Bind IP and paste the BuddyXAi IP addresses into the box. Now for the settings. Make sure to select API v4 key and ensure the account type is set to trading type. For permissions, find and enable spot trade and perpetual futures. Important, make sure to check Read and Write. Click Submit. A risk reminder will pop up. Check all the boxes and click I accept. Enter your fund password and your verification codes to complete the security check. Click Confirm. Your API is created. Stop and copy your secret key now. Please note, this key will not be shown again once you leave this page. Save it securely. Now, open the BuddyXAi app, go to API Management, and select Gate.io. Paste your API key and secret key into the fields. Before adding, double-check. Spot and futures permissions should be active, and withdrawal must be disabled. Great job! Your Gate.io account is now successfully connected. If you use another exchange, check our channel for those tutorials. Next up is the best part: how to claim your 7-day free trial to start automating your trades for free. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.